In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to refresh a data source in Tableau Desktop. It's a simple process that takes only about 5 minutes. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refresh your memory, follow along as I guide you through each step. First things first, you'll need to launch the Tableau Desktop application on your computer. This is your starting point for all Tableau activities. Depending on your version and setup, you can find the app in your Applications folder or through a shortcut on your desktop. Once Tableau is up and running, you're ready to move on to the next step. Now, let's access your worksheet. Simply open the existing workbook where you want to refresh the data source. If you're not already there, click on File, then Open to find your workbook. It's important to make sure you're working within the correct file, especially if you manage multiple data projects. With your worksheet open, it's time to select the specific data source you want to refresh. On the left side of the screen, you'll find a pane labeled Data. Here you can see all the data sources associated with your workbook. It's essential to choose the correct data source, as refreshing the wrong one can lead to data inconsistencies across your project. Next, the key action to perform is to click on the Data option in the top toolbar of the Tableau interface. This drop-down menu provides several options related to data management within Tableau. Once this menu is open, you're just a couple of clicks away from refreshing your data. Now that you've clicked on Data, look for the specific data source you wish to update in the drop-down list. Hovering over this option will typically reveal several submenu options. The menu might look different depending on the connections you have configured, but your data source should be easily recognizable. Finally, from the options associated with your selected data source, click on Refresh. This action will fetch the latest data from your source and update it within Tableau. Keep an eye on the bottom of your Tableau window. You should see a progress bar or a notification indicating that the refresh is taking place. Once it's complete, your data will be up to date. And there you have it. You've successfully refreshed your data source in Tableau Desktop. Remember, keeping your data up to date is crucial for accurate reporting and analysis. It's a good practice to refresh your data source regularly, especially if your underlying data changes frequently. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps streamline your data management process in Tableau. If you have any questions or need further clarification, don't hesitate to reach out. Until next time, happy analyzing.